Hi everyone, welcome back to the Royal University Hospital Demolition here in Liverpool. Bit of activity going on by the main entrance, so we're checking on that in a while. Just heading over towards the section what's been worked on the most, the taller buildings where the labs were, the Duncan building were. There's a lot's changed since last update. I'll turn you around. And we're going to have a look around the site from different vantage points to see what's going on. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. See you after the intro or welcome back everyone. Just going up to the first vantage point of the car park that I use to see over towards the oil. Just going up the last few flights of stairs now. One more to go. I think the big yellow claw is down at the moment, but there is some activity. Turn the camera around so you can see. Just a couple of the little claws cleaning up a lot of the rubble at the bottom. The whole corner section's gone now. Where the bridge was joined to, it's all gone. The yellow claw is down at the moment, down to the side. Just pulling a skip round by the looks of that. Where that building was joined to the one behind it, you might spot it on Craig's TV. That's where that black DSM, like it's like a digger, isn't it, kind of thing? Got a digger bucket on the end. That's where that wall fell, I believe. It's still spraying water over there now, even today. So I'm not sure where the other tall machine is that does a lot of the demolition on the buildings. It might be round to the side. I'm going around there in a while, but I'm going to go towards the main entrance first, have a quick look what's going on over there. That's the scene of the old Royal University Hospital here in Liverpool. One last pan to the right. Onwards we go towards the main entrance. See you there. I'm just outside the main entrance now to the old Royal Hospital. The machines that were working there have just gone, so just one of those, isn't it? Not much going on now. I will turn the camera around so you can see. You can just make out inside the hospital there's a lot more rubble material on the floor, so that's all got to come out. So if you look just where that white machine is, right underneath, you can just make out the rubble. I'll zoom in. Quite a big pile over that. That'll all get like pushed out towards the entrance here, where they'll just gather it all up, put it into a massive like skip or like tipper, but now I'll just get rid of all that in one go. Not much other activity going on, to be fair, outside the main entrance. We're going to go around to another vantage point. See you around now. Or yeah, just round the other side now. Looks like you've got that orange machine in place to start from this side. The next stage of the demolition. I'll turn the camera around now so you can see. And that's where it is in place. It hasn't started yet. I'm not sure if they'll start today. But it looks like they're going to start from the top. start ripping it down bit by bit from the top. That's where that stairway shaft was, right, and on the side there. That didn't take them long, less than a day to take all that down. And then the back wall joining both buildings, what you probably saw on Craig's TV video, as I mentioned earlier, that got took down pretty rapidly also. And that building where that smaller machine was tucking into, that's all that's left over there now, that last section there. And right to my left, should I say, they're just bringing out materials. Some of them wearing masks. You don't know what the materials are. I mean, there's been asbestos and all sorts in this old hospital. There's those materials, all rubbish. I'm just keeping my distance because of the dust and all the crap. But we're going to walk up the road, see what else we can see. Walk with me. I don't know if it's break time, but it's only like 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm hoping they'll start in a while. I will hang around a little bit. We'll have a close up. A lot of the water's drained away. Turn you around. And that's what it looks like. It does look like a bomb's hit it, doesn't it? Okay, we'll carry on walking up this road. Probably get a better view from this side actually, from the next stage. There's that machine ready to attack the building from this side. We'll carry on walking up. Quite a bit dusty around here, so try not to breathe in too much. It's quite windy as well, so maybe that's another reason. There's a bit of activity going on around here, so we'll have a look what's going on. That other big yellow machine is still parked up here. I've never seen it in use yet, to be fair. We'll turn the camera around in a minute. We'll get to a higher vantage point. Machines at the top end. Not sure what he's up to, but he's got one of those claws on the end, doing something. I'm zooming as far as I can. But as I go to the left, once they finish off with these taller buildings there, I've got a feeling they're going to take down the front of the hospital first, where the main entrance is, because that's where they've been working and gutting the most. So I'm waiting in anticipation to see what they do next. Just not sure if that machine's getting a bit of maintenance done to it, I'm not sure. But we'll hang around to see if any of the large machines start up again soon. It's 2 o'clock right now, so let's see how we go. Carry on walking. I don't even know where I'm going. Can't get any further. So yeah, I can't get any further around the back. I did try. I'll leave that one now. I'll get back up them steps to a higher vantage point, and then I'll turn the camera around. I'll zoom in a bit. It's more ground clearing, isn't it, really? It's all metal pipes, scrap metal. It looks like the claw near the top is coming back down here now, so maybe they finished. The work is still ongoing to the left also. They're clearing up around the ground. Yeah, that claw behind them is parking up now, which I wouldn't say it's late in the day because it's not, but I don't think we're going to see the big claw that's parked around here start up with that skip being put in place. Got a good claw full there, hasn't he? All pipes and so just a bit of extra footage of the grounds. I think it's trying to break that piece up with that. Not having much luck there by the looks of that. Just to the left. This is all they're doing today because of the conditions. It's even good of the guys from DSM washing all the people's cars as they walk past. Washing all the dust off the cars every time they're wrapping up the shift, which is really good. This is a company that cares, definitely. Yeah, we're going to wrap this one up. We're not going to have the big machines running today, I don't think. It's the reason why they're parked up. I was talking to DSM, some of the guys came over to me. I spoke to them about the Royal, what's going to be happening. Spoke to them about another project they did. As soon as this section in front of us is taken down, I'll zoom in on it. As soon as all that is gone, I'll move on to the section where the main entrance was. They'll take all that front section down first and then zoom back out. The bigger building at the back is on course for September time. Thank you DSM for giving me that information. He said give you a shout out. He didn't give me your name. Give me your name next time, I'll give you a shout out. but they don't need an introduction. DSM, they're such a massive company. I read up about them and I told you about them in my last episode, kind of the projects they did with White Hart Lane. I asked them how long that took them. 14 weeks, phase 2, that's all it took them to knock down White Hart Lane. That's impressive. But I'll be back Friday. Hopefully the bigger machines will be going Friday, so we can catch some action there. As the ground work continues on a day of wind, we'll let them guys carry on the clean-up area. The bigger machines hopefully we'll see going Friday on the other side of the building. Hopefully we'll get some close-up footage. I'll wrap this one up. All like, share, subscribe, be grateful. See you for the next one all. Take care for now.